What's up guys, Tyler here with SuperATV. We just arrived at Riverrun ATV Park. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Phenom sitting on go. It's gonna be an awesome weekend. Stay tuned. Back in the trails, the mud's looking good. They had some rain this week. We're looking forward to see what this KRX is capable of. Let's get after it.
all the way out.
Some mud?
Yeah, check that out. It's like we some of that good old Texas sandy mud.
Man.
Yeah, boy.
All behind there, everything.
Clogging my drain hole up.
That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We had a great Mudd Mayhem. If you haven't ever been down here River Run, I highly recommend it. Huge park, a lot of mud, a lot of sand, a lot of water. Excellent all around, good time. I want to give a huge thanks to Riverrun, Scott, Rex, the whole crew down here. They treat us like family when we roll in, always accommodating. It's a pleasure to have them on our side, and we truly love coming down to Riverrun and putting our machines through the paces. I also give a huge shout out to Chris with Triple X. They meet us over here and do some filming with our new builds, and that means a lot to us. So we're gonna get this wrapped up. We're gonna get this bad boy loaded on the trailer. We're gonna hop on a plane and get back to Indiana. So if you're not already subscribed or following our channels, please do that. Hit that like button. That's gonna be the best way to stay up to date with this build as we start to drop new videos. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.